Hi, I'm Owen Kelley. I'm a research scientist at NASA Goddard Space Flight Center. And here we build satellites, we operate them, and we send the data out to the world. Okay, so right now, today we're talking about Hurricane Florence. This is a picture actually taken by astronauts living in the space station. In fact, that's part of the space station. Hundreds of miles below them, we see Hurricane Florence with a cloud cover obscuring rainfall. And the rainfall is the energy source for the hurricane. A lot of it happening around here near the eye of the hurricane. And with NASA instrumentation, we can look inside the hurricane, get the three-dimensional structure of rain, which is a clue both to the energy transformations going on in there and a calibrator for the fleet of satellites that measure rainfall around the world. So this is what it looks like from the top, but with NASA data, we can peer inside it. This is a picture of Hurricane Florence. Hurricane Florence, when it was being torn apart by shear and later reinvigorated on its approach to the United States. The blue dots that you're seeing are tiny bits of ice that are falling through the atmosphere. What most people don't know is that hurricanes are mostly made of ice, and it's only when they get close to the surface that they turn into rain. So the big picture we've known for a long time. Since the 70s, we've had pictures of the tops of clouds. And only in recent decades have we had microwave instruments that could see sort of X-ray flat pictures of what's going on in the storm. And with the TRMM satellite and the GPM satellite, we can actually see the full three-dimensional structure of storms. And this is important because the structure of the storm tells us something about the energy transformations going on inside it. In the case of Hurricane Florence, at this point, the circulation, which is the containment vessel for the hurricane, didn't have precipitation in it. And precipitation cells are what bring energy from the ocean into the hurricane and keep the hurricane spinning. The only cell, so here's the circulation of Hurricane Florence. The only bit of precipitation is on the northeast side. And that cell had an expanding anvil of light precipitation, ice particles going in every direction, which suggests that the circulation wasn't trapping the energy and the hurricane was basically becoming a zombie, circulation with no energy source in it. This is data from NASA, where we use detailed three-dimensional observations of rain to stitch together a worldwide mosaic of rainfall. And in today's mosaic, we see Hurricane Florence approaching the East Coast. And by having these high-quality, high-tech data sets, it allows us to produce useful and uniform measurements of rain in real time.